Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to invite friends in the Worldcoin app. First, open the Worldcoin app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account so the options appear correctly. On the home screen you will see different icons and features. Look for the button called Mini Apps. This is usually found at the bottom or inside the main navigation area. Tap on the Mini Apps button to continue. Once you are inside Mini Apps you will see a search bar. In that search bar type the word Invites. After typing, you will see a small app appear in the results called Invites. This is the tool that allows you to bring your friends into Worldcoin and earn rewards. Tap on the Invites app and then press the Get button to activate it. The app will open and show you different options for inviting your friends. From here you can copy your personal invite code or share it directly using WhatsApp, Messenger, email, or any other sharing method available on your phone, and you will earn rewards. That is the full process of inviting friends in the Worldcoin app. Thanks for watching.